Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Natural monopolies have unique cost structures affecting regulation. Let's examine why setting price to marginal cost causes losses in this scenario.
Natural monopolies experience massive economies of scale, meaning their average total cost keeps falling as they produce more. This happens because high fixed costs are spread over a much larger output.
When the average total cost is constantly falling, the marginal cost must stay below the average total cost. This mathematical relationship is essential for understanding why these firms face financial trouble. If regulators set price equal to marginal cost, it falls below average cost. This gap creates an economic loss for the monopoly.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.